Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add audio player to Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So for this, we will actually use the search bar here. And we want to search for Common Ninja. And I'll show you how we can set this up as well. So search Common Ninja in the Shopify App Store. And in the Shopify store, I recommend this player here. And it's going to look like this Common Ninja audio player. So we just want to click on it. And we will install this onto our website. So I'll show you how we can grant it access as well. So just click on install here and wait for the process for it to set up. It might take a little bit of time, maybe like 5 seconds or so, 5-10 seconds. But it's going to look like this. It has a completely custom URL here. So you will click on create here and this will take you on this page. Here, you will choose the tracks which you want to add right here. So I'll just delete this one and I'll click on add track and you can type out the track name. You can type out the track artist and we can upload the audio file here as well. And we can also add a custom image. After we have set this up, we can change the layout. We can integrate it and change the settings here as well. So after we have saved changes, we'll just click on save changes and we will name this audio player. And we want to click on this. So we want to click on add to site. And it's going to give us the widget ID. We want to copy this widget ID and now we will click on our store here. It will automatically take us to the themes page and we want to click on customize. So from within the website editor, we will add a section here and we have to go to apps and you should be able to see Common Ninja widget. So click on it and I should add it here in the apps section. So if I go back, you can see Common Ninja into widget. So here we first want to make it visible and we want to paste the widget ID which we just created. And as you can see now, we have added an audio player to our Shopify store. So that's basically how you can add audio player to Shopify store. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.